Nope. Nope. There it is. Not you. The coconut. Hi, buddy. Guys, today we're gonna be cracking a coconut. That came from no idea where it came from. Now, where I'm from, we had trees of coconuts. Now that I'm here, we got a coconut. And I used to cut coconuts with a machete. We don't have a machete. We have an ox. So let's crack this puppy out. Alright, I have the equipment ready. But first, cob. Making corn today. The first cook of the girl of this year. Can't wait to start cooking more stuff. Grilling, I should say. But let's wait for these puppies to cook up. Alright. Alright. We got the ox. Ox. Hopefully I don't chop my finger off. Now how did I do this? I don't remember. I just did do this. I think it was. Son of a cracker jack. That barely hit this thing. Aww. Thing is not that freaking sharp.
I can hear you, Daddy.
What?
I can hear you in the glimmer.
Must be a fake ass coconut.
Yes, that is big.
Okay, it's not that bad. Why isn't it breaking? Like, this sucks, man. I wanted the freaking. This is still a baby then, if it breaks like that. Yeah, this is a f***ing baby. Look at that rip off. Sorry, let's blur that out. Editor. Look at this. There's no meat in it. This is way too young. That's what I said in the video. Way too young. I don't know. I was eating spicy chips, so I really don't know. Nah, man, how there's no meat in it, man. That's why the knife went in too quick. Ah, damn it. All right. That's how you crack open a coconut. This is too young. I'll watch that later. Alright, let's talk about the plants. Good news and bad news. Good news is, I got a couple things to plant again. Bad news is, I gotta wipe out some plants. So, let's go to the garden. And here we are. Our garden. So the bad news was I think these broccolis are dying in this side. Dang, it's so freaking bright. I think they're dying. They're getting yellow, or they probably got bugged. I just put organic bug reflector, repellent, whatever it's called. Hopefully it takes the mold and everything out of it. But the other side, they're pretty healthy. They're growing pretty big. Snugs, I'm not cuddling with you at the moment. So we got, the good news is you get them bells. Don't squish my pants. My plants, you get out of the way. Hey, there's little peppers growing. There's gonna be little midgets. Never seen that before. Alright, and the tomatoes. Tomatoes are growing. Not literally, the plant is growing. And we got some deco for the garden. We got a frog. We got a ladybug. We got a rooster. Bee. Look at the onions. Onions are growing pretty big. Yeah, and the lettuce are growing pretty big. Dude, out of the way. Lettuce are growing. This lettuce are growing too. Oh, I have a net over it. Keep the slugs away from it. I did put some organic slug repellent. Hopefully that works around the perimeter. Keep the slugs away. But the mint is growing pretty well, healthy. The strawberries are getting big. And the other mint plant, they're growing pretty well. And this machine is working still since I got it. It works. It pumps water. The day that it was nice and hot, there was wet patches all over. And I was like, okay, so it's working. It's actually pretty a good buy. Now we got an actual grapevine. A beautiful grape plant. Basically, it's like a vine that grows. Anyways, there it is. The one that I had in the back garden, it died. It flooded. That place was getting flooded. But I think I fixed the problem. I'll show you in a minute on what I did to fix the problem. I should have done it years ago, but I fixed the problem. I knew it was the problem, but I never bothered fixing it. But the opportunity came and I fixed it. Alright, you got the grape plant here. And the other bad news, the flowers that were supposed to be flowers, I could be wrong. It don't look right. It actually looks cool when you think about it. Yeah, they are flowers, but I don't like the way it looks. And the reason why, I really don't want to, but I have to sacrifice one side and leave the other side because I finally got cilantro. We're gonna plant these cilantros in this container here. And yeah, the grass is still okay. Plants are getting pretty big. These ones are dying again, but they will grow. These ones are growing. They grew back. Snugs, out of the way. These are regrowing, dude. And this is getting big. Now, the other plants. We got new oregano, which is just gonna stay there for a bit. We got sage. And we got thyme. And they smell great. Can't wait to start snip, dry, and make your own piece of stuff. Anyway, we got this other one. I think this is lettuce, cabbage, more lettuce and cabbage. Honestly, I enjoy eating cabbage and lettuce. And we have an eggplant. It's already growing right there. But it won't survive here. It's gonna break, it might snap, and it got windy. So we're gonna take this plant and put it over here. So I got the plant with me. This is good soil still. So I'm gonna do what I did with the other ones and plant it on this. And hopefully, I probably might have to find a little more dirt. I'm gonna stuff this up a bit more because it looks like it needs more. I don't think there's enough dirt. And then after this is done, then we're gonna kill this side and plant the cilantro on it. And let's go find some more dirt. All right, found a spot to bring some dirt to its new place. I'm gonna plant this plant here in this location. So I'm gonna take the dirt from there to fill up this, and whatever dirt is here, hopefully, you know, that'll be okay. So let's start digging. It's got these little military shovel that keeps collapsing on me. Yes. This is your poor shovel in gardening. If you can gardening, you use this. Just like that. Take a circle here, take all this dirt and transport it here. We're gonna take this plant from here and put it in here. Put these in here. You're gonna start spraying it with water. Sprayed it with water. Probably needs a little more dirt around it. Alright, let's go get the water and water it up. Even though it rained a lot, just planting, watering this one so it gets softened. Nothing good to grow. Hopefully it'll grow. Alright, I got this pot here. Let's bring it to over there and see if we can plant the eggplant in. Alright guys, let's start planting the eggplant in here. And the new, damn it, Snuggles. Out of the way, buddy. Come on, Snugs. Dude. Snuggles. Dude. Out of the shot. Oh, you're ruining my channel, man. Get out. Get out. Get out, I say! Back off, Snuggles. Alright, so here's the plant. Let's get it out of here. Put it here. Let me get the water so we can like soften this up here a bit. Let me go grab the whatever that's called. Alright. Here it is. Got the water. Now let's go water the plant with one hand. Oh yeah. Put you guys off to the floor. Just like before, my other video. As I wet it and, you know, break down well, I soaked it on the pool. So, I'm just trying to break off the dirt that's on it. I wonder if this has a train. I don't think so. Oh man. Shish kebab. It's just basically just made freaking mud. Now I gotta do more work. What? Bless you. Don't forget to bless me with the like button. Just hit that like button, guys. You'll get blessed. So now I gotta make a drill. I gotta drill a hole in this metal container. More working and my hands are dirty. But you can do that in a bit. Got this plant here. Now, time to get rid of these plants. I mean, they look like they are growing, but I want to grow my cilantros. So, what I'm gonna do is just yank it out. Hopefully they will come out as one. Three, two, one, and there you go. Just like that. Got the snap trick going on here. Alright. So there it is. I pluck every single root. Hopefully they don't grow back. Cleaned up the place a bit. Here they are. Root with the root. So we could plant this somewhere else. Alright. Let's plant the cilantro. It doesn't really have to be. It's a little tiny vine that grows. If you guys know what cilantro are, it's just a tiny vine that just grows up and blooms with flowers and everything. That's the cilantro. So you could make a whole bunch of cilantros in one pile. So let's open the bag here. Let me put you guys somewhere. Alright, let me set you guys down. Alright, and there it is. So let's plant these here. Massage them in there. I don't want to use all of them here, but cilantro, I love cilantro. And they grow quick. Now I gotta figure out how I could make a hole in the pot and figure out where to plant these. Where the heck to plant these plants at? Cause I really don't want to kill them, you know. Okay, let's go find a way how to drill some holes in this. But other than that, garden is pretty good. I think it looks good. Eventually I'm gonna move this plant somewhere else, so it can start wrapping itself around. But yeah, I like it. What do you guys think? Comment down below what you think of the garden. Snugs, man. Alright, so let's go drill some holes. I couldn't find anything, but when I looked at it, I did actually score them with the saw blade before. I had them holes here. There's one there. There's another one there. And there's another one here. You guys can see. I've been shoved the scissors in here. So just to make it a little bigger. So hopefully the water will drain fast enough so it doesn't drown on me. So hopefully it grows. All right, guys, there you have it. There's cilantro. There's this. I might sacrifice half of this so I could plant the other cabbages or lettuce. I don't even remember what the heck they were. But I'm thinking of building another box, but I'm not sure if I want to build another box. So, alright, I'm gonna have the shovel here, so let's go dig a hole on the other side of the garden so I can plant these plants and see if they actually grow some flowers. But yeah, it's coming along very well. Let's go to the other side. Alright, this is the only spot that I can think of. Let's start digging a hole to start planting these, I guess. Make this little spot here. Now let's go plant these. There's all this charcoal I threw here a while ago. Oh shit, I forgot one. Never leave a plant behind. No plants left behind. Alright, hopefully that grows. Ah, shit. Alright, let's go check on the other garden. But before, this is what it looks like now. I mean, it's not pretty, but hopefully it grows. Keeps growing. Hopefully. I don't know. I was hoping for beautiful flowers. But it's whatever. I'm gonna put a little mulch around it. Put a little mulch around it. Here's the rose. Drawing is very healthy. There's still flowers. It's growing. The other plants basically is those that I planted here, if you remember one of my videos. They are growing everywhere. There's already junk in it. Look at my raspberry plant. That's growing pretty well. Nothing in there yet. Got it, spikes. Alright. I'm gonna get more bird feeder. We're gonna figure out where to put that mulch still. Look, guys. It's a spider. I think I got a spider on my eye. There's a spider. It won't focus. Oh, where are you going? Oh, damn, this thing is quick. Yo, there's a strange spider that comes over here. If it comes again, it's weird how that looks. It looks like it has a castle, like a Dracula's castle on the rear. I don't know what kind of, I forgot what, I looked it up before. But I was like, damn. And where I'm from, they're basically similar to that. I never saw one like that over here. But wait until the summer if it appears. Here's our plants, like I said. There you go, mulch. I figured out, put this back over here in the corner. And that's pretty much it. Oh, we're still going. We gotta get more bird feeders to get more birds here. And that's pretty much it, guys. There's my update. That's what's going on. So far, so good, I guess. So any more outdoor activities that I will go to will be here in this channel. We might go for a hike, for a walk, and I might bring you guys along with me so you can see the trails here where I'm living it. Alright guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Please follow my channel. And that's it. Peace.